Welcome to MOXIS. In this video we take a look at the job creation screen in MOXIS. I will now show you step by step how to create a new job and prepare it for signing. First, we select the desired process and upload the required document for signature. After a quick check to make sure it is the right document, we can start preparing the job. Now we specify who needs to receive the document. We therefore use so-called iterations. These allow both parallel and sequential processes. This means that all parties involved can sign either simultaneously or in a predefined chronological order. As the job owner, you determine this order before sending the job. You also specify which signature quality is required. You can choose between approval, simple or advanced signature or qualified signature. You can learn more about signature qualities in a separate video or in our knowledge base. To add signers, we enter their name or open the address book via to. You can choose between internal and external contacts. Important: you cannot mix signature qualities or recipient types within an iteration. Next, we decide whether and how the signatures should be displayed in the document. By default, we use placeholders that you drag and drop to the preferred position. Alternatively, you can summarize all signatures at the end of the document on a separate signature sheet. You can also specify further options for the job. For example, you can add a job description, set an expiration date to indicate urgency, or save the job as a draft if information is still missing. It is also possible to create a template for similar jobs. The job creation page in MOXIS offers a variety of features that may differ depending on your version and configuration. For more details, please visit our knowledge base at documentation.xitrust.com. Get started now and get to know the possibilities in detail. With MOXIS,